there. Ram, good to have you on the show. Your subsidiary recently secured a landmark license for artillery shells manufacturing. Tell me, what does this really mean for you? How much capacity will this facility have? And when would the commercial production actually begin?
This is a medium caliber M107 caliber production product we have established. Its capacity is 1,50,000 shells per annum. This is a game changer for the company because right now in India, there are not many companies who are making it. And as the wars are going on everywhere, this product is in a good demand. So it will be a good contributor for the company.
Okay, talk to us also, sir, about how much revenue does the defense segment generate for your company on a consolidated basis currently? And will this segment be a major growth driver for the company going forward as well? Give us that perspective.
This shell vertical, it will add almost 300 crores turnover in the total kitty. However, at present, uh, a part of this subsidy, our turnover is hardly 2% of the total turnover, which is minuscule. But with the commercial production starting of this product, it will go to 300 crores.
Right. You also recently shared or rather entered into a strategic alliance with BrahMos Aerospace and Axis Cades Tech as well, right? What is this for?
This is further because government has got a special plane type MCA, Advanced Multi-Role Combat Aircraft. Because earlier, government was taking maximum of the planes were coming from the international market. But now, as the deliveries are getting delayed and the geopolitical conditions have forced the government to make itself Atmanirbhar. So for this, that is a step in this direction. And we, along with BrahMos and Axis Gate, we have entered into an MOU and we have bid for EOI. Now government has to decide to whom they will, because there are 7 contenders. Now government has to decide to which 2 players they will award this.
Okay, and how is demand shaping up, sir, across segments? Talk to us about auto, forging, oil and gas, railways. How are those doing?
These all are different sectors. Autos, yes, there is a continuous demand because India is at the bottom of the pyramid as far as auto demand is concerned because India per capita car density is very low. So now auto, I hope for next 10-15 years, there is no letdown in the demand. And so we had just put up new plant in September 2024 with a capacity of 50,000 tons of the hydraulic tubes, which again will be used in the your earth moving equipments. It's a part of our auto division only. So this particular sector has a good demand and has a good visibility. Regarding the railways, railways is in very much demand. In railways, what we are doing, we are making bridges for the railway division. And in 2022, we were awarded a contract for 22,000 tons of bullet train from Ahmedabad to Mumbai. We have completed almost 80% of that, and 20% will be completed in next 3-4 months. And what I understand from the sources, the government is planning for 7 more bullet trains. So those new 7 projects are likely to come in the coming years. And we hope that we will be the front runner in getting these bridges for the new bullet trains. So railway has a very good demand and there is no let up. Oil and gas, definitely this is a sector where we are catering from our forgings. And it is a continuous steady demand we are having because we are doing the forgings, subsea forging as well as over the sea, over the land forgings. So, and we are approved with ADNOC, Kuwait Oil Company, any oil company, Baker and Hughes, any oil company you name, and we are there. So it has a steady demand.
Right. And your revenue growth, that's moderated to 980 crore rupees in the first quarter, right, of FY26 from over about 1100 in Q4 of FY25. What led to this and how has been Q2 for you? Any new order wins?
As far as the order front is discussed, So we are having very good demand. In our infrastructure division, we are having almost more than 1 year booking. In auto, we have a visibility of almost, you can say, 2 quarters. And in forgings, it is normally 2 quarters to 3 quarters. And the rest, the divisions, they are the market-based divisions. So as far as the order is concerned, it is good. But however, due to the heavy rains this quarter and some these geopolitical conditions, there may be a little setback. But future is very bright, and we are hopeful that we will get our growth target as we had earlier said.
Okay, and do you maintain your double-digit revenue growth guidance for FY26? Will you be able to cross 4,700 crore this year in that case?
We maintain our guidance, revenue, profitability, EBITDA. We maintain our guideline of 15 to 20%, what we had been saying, and last 2 years can vouch what we have said. And in the coming years, we hope we will maintain this.
Okay, Ram, great to have you on the show. Thank you so much for your time today. Let's